DGS Drama recently held their 2026 Improv show, a new tradition that took place on January 29th and 30th. The event brought a night of live unscripted comedy to the stage, while also serving as a key fundraiser for the drama program. While the laughs happen in the moment, the planning does not. Event coordinator Tiffany Rubin joins us to explain what goes into making the improv show possible.
The show, we have a few rehearsals where the students get games and we kind of play around with who's going to play which game. And we brought in a professional comedian and improv artist who came in and helped train the kids with what they need to do, how to build character, how to do stories. And then we had a dress rehearsal where they're each assigned certain games and we play those games and just have a really good time.
Senior student Nat Gay has been part of the theater program for several years and recently took part in the improv show, where she even performed her own stand-up comedy segment. She shares what she loves most about the show and what the event means to her.
Personally, I watched the improv show last year and I really enjoyed it, and I could really see myself doing it. And I think it's a really good skill that people could have, and participating it with my friends is just such a fun experience.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Ellie Scannell.